AI coding assistants like ChatGPT and Copilot are everywhere, helping developers write code faster than ever. But here is the problem. AI-generated code often contain outdated functions, database calls that don't exist anymore, and hidden bugs that can cost business time and money. What if you could instantly detect which part of your code were written by AI before they cause issues? Codespy.ai is a brand new tool built especially for developers, consultants, and software teams. It doesn't rewrite your code. Instead, it pinpoints which lines were generated by AI models like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude, so your team can review them and fix potential problems before shipping to the client. Getting started is easy. First, register for an account on Codespy.ai. Once you log in, you will see the dashboard like this. To scan your first code, simply click on New AI Scan. Select your programming language, C#, Java, Python, JavaScript, or PHP, and paste your code directly into the tool. Then hit Scan and Codespy will analyze it. Let's look at a quick demo in Java. On the left, we have code written by an AI model. On the right, human written code. Watch what happens when we run Codespy. In seconds, Codespy identifies which code came from AI. Notice how the flag section align with where the bugs are most likely to occur. The tool doesn't fix mistakes for you because only human engineers should make those judgment calls. But it gives you a clear roadmap of where to focus your QA efforts. Let's try scanning human written code. The results show 36% AI, but the code is mostly human written. This demonstrates that Codespy provides an accuracy analysis, highlighting possible AI influence. From here, you can also review the previous analysis for comparison. For consultants and freelancers, Codespy is a lifesaver. The consultants plan designed for a team of 1 to 4 people. By scanning your code before delivery, you will catch buggy AI written code, save time on revisions, and build stronger client trust. Students from NYU's Stanley School of Engineering have already shown that AI code can be outdated, buggy, and even insecure. Codespy makes sure you are ahead of these risks. For small to mid-sized businesses, Codespy helps engineering managers oversee distributed teams using AI coding assistants. Instead of hiring massive in-house dev team, managers can rely independent developers and Codespy ensure accountability and high code quality. This means fewer revisions, faster delivery, and protection from potential legal risk as more clients begin to restrict how much AI coding can submitted in project. AI can accelerate development, but only if it's used responsibly. Codespy.ai makes sure your team harness the power of AI coding assistant without the hidden risk. Try it free today, no credit card required, and join over 100,000 users worldwide already scanning their code with confidence.